Most people don't fail at starting a microgreens business because they don't know how to grow microgreens. They fail because they don't know how to sell microgreens. And in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the 80 plus lessons in the microgreens business blueprint that helps you understand the fundamental principles of how to actually sell something. And this is going to fundamentally shift how you think about sales and how you take the direction of your business. So before we get into that though, I want to just share a little bit about the Microgreens business blueprint because it is literally the most exciting project I've ever worked on. And that includes building one of the largest microgreens farms in Canada. It is going to be revolutionary for a lot of you guys in being able to effectively build a microgreens business that produces a high quality income and a high level of income for you right from home. So the Microgreens business blueprint was developed to make it literally as easy as possible to start a microgreens business anywhere in the world and find success. And what makes me really excited about this is the world is shifting, as many of you may know, very drastically in some ways, and in other ways more economically. It's maybe more gradual, but it's something that's shifting, and people are not going to be able to rely on income from employment the way that maybe they have 5 years ago, 10 years ago. So I'm someone that I really like to take the destiny of my future in my own hands and not rely on others or employers. And I think many of you probably feel the same way, where you want to be able to control your family's future and be able to provide for them. And microgreens is only one of many ways to start a business, but it is one of the best. I found the lowest cost. Like, you can start for a few $100s and actually make a good living quite fast with microgreens. So if it is something that you are interested in, feel free to check out microgreens.ai, and you can see everything that's included in the Microgreens business blueprint. But without further ado, let's get into the video: marketing principles for success. Welcome back, guys. In this first lesson of the marketing section, we're going to cover how to market your microgreens from a big picture bird's eye perspective. Then in upcoming lessons, we'll put this super powerful knowledge to work to create a compelling, effective, and easy way to implement a marketing and sales plan so that you can hit the ground running and get sales for your microgreens right away. What you're about to learn goes far beyond microgreens. This is about learning how to sell transformation. Think of it this way: I'm not just handing you a fish to eat, I'm actually going to teach you how to fish. The principles in this lesson can help you sell anything. But in this lesson, we're going to focus on just microgreens. And here's the big shift. Selling isn't about facts. People don't buy microgreens just because they're 40 times more nutritious than mature vegetables. They buy because of how the product makes them feel, how others see them when they use the product. These principles are built on emotion, lifestyle, and identity. And when you learn to apply them, your sales will grow gangbusters, which is why I'm so excited to share these principles with you today. The first principle is about capturing attention. The very first step in someone trying to learn about your product is to get their attention. So whether it's an email subject line, a headline, or the first words out of your mouth with a conversation with a customer, your goal is to wake people out, to snap them out of their routine. Here are some examples of attention-grabbing openers that you can use in email campaigns. The secret wellness habit hiding in plain sight. This creates some interest, it creates some mysteriousness. What is the secret? So it gets people out of their routine. Another one is stop wasting money on lattes. This fuels your body for an entire week. Another one, doctors call it superfood, chefs call it essential, we just call it microgreens. Feel younger, sharper, and healthier in 7 days or less. You're really getting into the emotion of someone that wants to eat healthy, wants to be healthy, wants to transform their life. These are powerful and these work. And really notice what these do. They don't just announce, hey, we sell microgreens. They promise transformation. They get their reader's brain to stop, tilt their head, and say, wait, tell me more. That's your goal with capturing attention. Create a jolt that flips someone from skimming mode into curiosity mode. The next principle for marketing is to create a first experience. Once you have their attention, the next step is to turn the first interaction into something really unforgettable. Your customer's first taste of microgreens, their first delivery, or even just their first email should feel like a start of a better life. Frame it like this. This is a preview of what vibrant health feels like. The first step into a healthier, happier life. An introduction to more energy, better meals, and a healthier you. This isn't just about giving them microgreens, it's about showing them what's possible in their life with microgreens. That first experience should anchor the product to a new identity for themselves. The next principle for marketing is selling emotion and status. So this is the heart of the lesson. People don't buy microgreens just because they're food. They buy them because how the food will make them feel, how others will see them eating this food. So just think about what microgreens represent. They represent health, they represent vitality, they represent beauty on your plate, aesthetics, confidence at your dinner table, and most importantly, the identity of being someone who invests in their wellness. This is why you should use imagination prompts and something called future pacing in your messaging. So for example, tomorrow morning, when you sprinkle these on your eggs, you will feel more energized and focused than you have in weeks. Next week, when you serve these at dinner, your guests will be asking you where you got them because of how beautiful and delicious they are. Imagine your meals look like they came straight from a chef's kitchen every single day. When you guide people picturing themselves living this way, you're no longer selling a product, you are selling the version of themselves they want to become. And this is so powerful. Next up is pricing with confidence. So the worst mistake you can make in your business is to apologize for your price or try to justify it with production costs. Pricing isn't about math, it's about perception. So if you think about it, a gym membership costs $100 a month. A bottle of supplements can easily cost $40. A single massage can cost $60 to $100. Now compare that to a $30 subscription for Microgreens. You get weekly health, energy, beautiful chef quality nutrition on your plate, and it's only a fraction of what people are already investing in their wellness routines. So when you frame it against these more expensive anchors, $30 doesn't really feel that expensive. It feels like a smart, affordable upgrade to their lifestyle. And remember that confidence is contagious. When you say our subscription is $30 and it's worth every penny, people believe you. Next up is a really powerful price comparison. One of the simplest tools you can use is to everyday comparisons that people already purchase. So people so often justify a $6 latte, a $12 cocktail, a $15 movie ticket. But by contrast, a $30 weekly subscription of Microgreens is one of the best values you're going to be able to find. A really good frame for this is for less than the cost of your daily latte, you can fuel your body with premium nutrition all week long. Another great one is skip one coffee, gain 7 days of lasting energy. This really makes the decision easy for customers. Microgreens aren't expensive, they are the smarter indulgence for your health. So to wrap this up, let's just put this all together. Start by capturing the attention with bold, in-your-face openers that promise transformation. Make every first experience a gateway into a healthier, happier life. Remember that people buy emotions and status, not just food. You want to price with confidence. So compare your $30 subscription to wellness investments people are already making, and use everyday indulgences like lattes to reframe your price as a bargain. At the end of the day, you're not just selling Microgreens, you're selling how people want to feel and how they want to be seen. Once you master this, you'll have a skill set that applies to any product, any service, and any industry. This really is teaching you how to fish, not just for today, but for the rest of your business life. In the next lessons, we're going to dive into getting your website setting up, learning how to offer samples the right and effective way, and how to build your marketing funnel for your Microgreens business. So I will see you guys in the next lesson. I'm super excited to dive into it with you guys.